Tucked behind your stomach is a modest, tadpole-shaped organ with a massive secret. It's the pancreas, a physiological powerhouse with a split personality, performing two completely different, life-sustaining jobs. Without it, we would literally starve from being unable to digest food and perish from sugar imbalances. Its first identity is an exocrine gland, a kind of chemical factory. The food leaving your stomach is soaked in powerful hydrochloric acid. If that acid hits your delicate intestine, it would burn a hole in the wall. So the pancreas releases bicarbonate, a base that instantly neutralizes the acid. Then it deploys the heavy lifters of digestion, enzymes like amylase for carbs, lipase for fats, and protease for proteins. Brilliantly, these powerful enzymes are produced in an inactive state, so they don't digest the pancreas itself. They only switch on once they safely reach the intestine. But that's only 99% of its job. Scattered throughout the pancreas are tiny cell clusters called the islets of Langerhans. This is its second identity, an endocrine gland, the master regulator of your body's energy. After you eat, your blood sugar spikes. In response, beta cells release insulin. Insulin is like a key, unlocking your body cells to absorb that sugar for energy and telling the liver to store any extra for later. Conversely, if you haven't eaten for a while, your blood sugar drops. Alpha cells then release glucagon. Glucagon is the emergency signal, telling the liver to release its stored sugar back into your blood. This constant push and pull between insulin and glucagon keeps your energy perfectly balanced. When this delicate system fails, it results in diabetes. The pancreas isn't just an aid to digestion, it's a silent, dual-action guardian, managing our survival with every meal and every moment in between.